First, go to your browser and search for AWS, and just go into the first link that it will provide, and get into the create account section, and give your email and account name. Give the account name will be the shown in your console. And next, verify your email. You will get the verification link in your verification code on your email. Just type that code here and you will be verified. Here you create a strong password. Give the strong password and confirm that password once again. And next is to choose the plan. Choose either of the plan. You will get 200 of credit points. So I'll be choosing a paid plan because I need a full access to my server. Sorry, AWS. And next, give those contact informations like your name, phone number, country, address, your pin code, etc. What it asks. And here you give your credit card details like credit card number, credit card name, CSV, expiry date, and also fill your PAN card number. And then you will get a verification code from your bank account, and it will deduct rupees 2 for a verification. And again here, fill those basic credentials, like it will ask again for your name, date of birth, and PAN number also. And it will also ask to upload a pic of your PAN. Make sure that name and date of birth matches to your PAN card. And again here check the either of the box and do verification. And this